Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet mobile parts designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet mobile parts design is a small handmade bag created using crochet techniques, specifically designed to carry a mobile phone and a few small essentials like cash, cards, or keys. It blends functionality with creativity, often becoming both a practical accessory and a stylish fashion piece. These pouches usually have a compact size, just enough for your phone, a strap, a crossbody, shoulder, or wrist. Key features: perfect size for phones, designed to snugly fit smartphones, protecting them from scratches. Lightweight and portable, easy to carry, especially when you don't want a large handbag. Stylish and customizable, you can choose colors like soft pastel, earthy tones, bright boho shapes. Patterns, use granny skirts, floral, lace, or ribbed. Use embellishments like buttons, beads, or tassels. Popular crochet styles. First, simple minimal pouch for clean and plain design, perfect for beginners. Next, granny skirt parts, vintage and colorful look, very trendy in cottagecore style. Next, boho ceiling bag includes tassels or frings, relaxed and artistic vibe. Also, floral or decorative design, feature crocheted flowers, feminine and cottage style aesthetic. 5 people love it for handmade and unique. Matches vintage, cottagecore and farmhouse aesthetics. Great for gifts or small business ideas. Easy DIY project for beginners. Here are some practical and creative tips to make your crochet mobile parts design more beautiful, durable, and unique, especially if you want it to look professional or even sell it. First, choose the right yarn, very important. Use cotton yarn, best for structure. Keep shape, not stressy. Use acrylic yarn, softer and cheaper, but may stress. Use blended yarn, good balance of softness plus durability. Tip: for mobile parts, go for medium weight cotton yarn so your bag doesn't sag. Next, get the size perfect. Measure your phone before starting. Add on to 2 cm extra space for easy fitting. If using a cache, measure with the cache on. Tip: make a small test swatch first to check sizing. Next, use tight stitches for strength. Use single crochet or half double crochet. Avoid loose stitches. Phone may slip out. Tip: use a slightly smaller hook than recommended for tighter fabric. Add a secure closer. Use button plus loop for simple and cute bags. Use zipper for best security. Use magnetic snap for clean and modern design. Tip: always reinforce the closer area with extra stitching. Make a strong strap. Use tight stitches or I-cord style for strength. You can also bend yarn for extra durability. Add fabric lining inside the strap. Tip: test the strap by pulling it gently. If it scratches too much, redo it tighter. Add lining for a professional look. Use soft cotton fabric inside. Prevent stressing and protects your phone. Tip: choose floral or vintage fabric for a cottagecore vibe. Decorate thoughtfully. Add small flowers, wooden patterns, tassels, or beads. Don't over-decorate, keep it balanced. Tip: match decoration with your theme, like boho, vintage, or minimalist. Pick aesthetic color combinations. Vintage look, use cream, dusty pink, or shiz green. Boho style, use mustard, rust, or brown. For modern style, use black, white, and neutral tones. Tip: use 2 to 3 color max for a clean design. Finish neatly, hide all yarn ends properly. Lock your purse. Light shape it with steam or water. Neat finishing equal handmade items look store quality. Smart design ideas. Add a small front pocket for cards. Make a button flap for extra style. Try adjustable snaps. Give your purse a structure. No sagging. Add interfacing or a thin foam layer inside. Use thermal stitch or waistcoat stitch for thicker fabric. Double layer your crochet like inner plus outer panel. This keeps your purse looking boxy and elegant, not floppy. Reinforce high-stress area like strap joints, button or zipper area, and bottom corners. Stitch these parts 2 to 3 times or use a stronger yarn like nylon blend. Try advanced stitch textures. Experiment with waffle stitch for cozy and thick fill. Use bobble stitch for cute and raised dots. Cable stitch, elegant and knitted look. These textures instantly make your design look high-end. Keep perfect shape while crocheting. Always count stitches each row. Use stitch markers at corners. Lay your work flat every few rows to take shape. A small mistake can make your purse twist or tilt. Use the join as you go method, especially for granny square designs. Connect pieces while crocheting instead of sewing later. Saves time and gives a cleaner finish. Make your strap adjustable. Ideas: add buttons for different length. Use sliding knots. Attach small rings or buckles. Makes your purse more practical for different users. Hide seams like a pro. Use invisible join instead of slip stitch. Sew pieces from the inside with matching yarn. Allison stitches perfectly before joining. Clean seams equal professional handmade look. Create a signature style. Always include one unique element, like a special flower, a specific color palette, or a tiny handmade tag. This is how people recognize your design instantly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!